On behalf of the CDPI and the Bishop of Catholic Diocese of Sambalpur, we wish you a very hearty congratulations on the completion of your 25 years of priesthood. After having completed these 25 years, how do you see yourself?
Yeah, thank you very much for the wishes and for this day. These 25 years, when I look back, it gives me great satisfaction, great joy. The areas I have worked is in the parish. I was in for 2 years in the beginning at Gudrapada. Then another 4-5 years I was in Kerketta. Then another 1 year in parish Burma. Then SSS for 13 years. Then here 2 years. And all this diverse experience working for the people and for God gives great satisfaction.
As a priest working for the social sector, what are the different factors that helps you, motivates you to work in that sector as a priest?
Yeah, this is one of the areas where I feel that it is the most needed area for people's spiritual need. We need to fulfill, but at the same time we need to also fulfill their other needs, and where we get the chance to get involved in the people's problem, people's concern, people's aspirations. This is one of the area which gives a immense satisfaction in life, where we get connected to all sorts of people of every section of society. And this ministry also, I feel that it enriches my priesthood. Because I would be one-sided working, maybe if I was looking only for the spiritual need of the people, but I can also at the same time I can be involved in their struggles. In a meeting in Kerketta, one of the priests was telling every priest should attend the social development course, and they should be part of the social development. Otherwise, the priesthood is less meaningful. One priest recently was telling, when I look at my life, that it is a ministry where all of us needs to be involved and deeply involved, because it is for which we are called for, not only just to fulfill the spiritual need, but whole aspect of human beings. So that's how I look at this ministry.
Thank you so much, Father. There are very few of you who have working and who have worked in the social sector, so we know a broader picture from your interview. Now, pertaining to the what question I had asked, could you specify a few of the motivating factors?
This is a wonderful question, and nice to answer, because I do everything because of my call as a priest, the vocation. This call which is so precious,
yes.
And this only motivates. From the beginning itself I was fully dedicated to this life, and whatever responsibilities were to be taken up by me, I took it very sincerely. And in the social sector also I see same way, that yes, our life is short, so for the society we need to contribute something. I see the precious call, vocation, and to preserve it and to live accordingly, and that motivates me that yes, God has called me for this work.
In this year, as you are celebrating your silver jubilee, would like to share to us your jubilee message?
I have always cherished my life in Diocese of Sambalpur. So our life was a life of communion, togetherness, yes. And I see that, and I want to see that all of us live as a family, all brothers, and working together for the glory of God.
Yes, Father, surely a lot of experience you shared with us in this short interview. So once again, Father, congratulating, we remain.
Yeah, thank you. Jai Jesu.